What's up, guys, and welcome back to Thena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the turn signals on the Tundra. Let's get right into it. Shout out to Lasfit for sending me these LEDs. They are quite bright. They're supposed to be 400% brighter. They have 20 LEDs, the 3030 SMD LEDs wrapped around 360-degree coverage. We're going to install them today, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like before and after. Well, you see what they look like before. So thankfully, Toyota made the access to the turn signals fairly easy. They're right inside the engine bay, right behind the headlight housing. You can see the plug right here. Super easy to access. So once you locate the plug, all you're going to do is turn it counterclockwise, and the plug should just pull right out. Once you have the plug out, all you have to do is get a firm grasp on the bulb and pull it directly out. And now we can install the Lasfit LEDs. Grab one of your LEDs, just slide it in, and now we're good to go to put it back into the headlight housing. Putting it in is exactly the same process as pulling it out. You're just going to slide it into the bulb housing and twist it clockwise this time instead of counter. Once it's twisted in, that's all you have to do. Your LED turn signal bulb is now in and done. Here's a closer look at the difference in the bulbs. This is your standard halogen bulb, and this is the Lasfit LED. This thing, I can't wait to see how it looks. It does matter which way you put these bulbs in. I just turned the hazards on and the bulb wasn't working, so I had to pull the bulb right back out, which took no time at all, flipped it over and plugged it back in, and it was blinding. Now, they're supposed to be 400% brighter. I would say they're at least that. You can see this bulb here is, that is the turn signal factory from this truck. Now, this is absolutely fantastic looking. It's super crisp. I love how it turns on and off like super precisely, where this halogen kind of beams up and beams down. This looks great. So this is how it looks with it on as your DRL. It's significantly brighter than the halogen bulb. The halogen is kind of dull and not very bright, especially now that I have these LEDs up front. It kind of puts them off, but these LEDs and this Lasfit LED are exactly the same color, which is pretty nice. This is more of a yellow tinge versus amber, the halogen is, but I think this is going to look great. It's going to match perfectly with my Lasfit headlights and fog lights. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully it was pretty short, pretty simple to do. It's a nice upgrade if you ask me. It really takes this front end from kind of dull and brightens it up quite a bit. It's going to give me more visibility during the day and at night so people know that I'm turning, or if I have an emergency and my hazards are on, they're going to see it a lot better from the front. Thank you guys for watching. If you want, consider subscribing to see more content like this. Like this video. I actually have a discount code for Lasfit. If you use code Athena at checkout, it'll get you 15% off. Lasfit.com. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. That's going to be the end of the video. Bye.